The back extension is a fantastic exercise for the hamstrings, glutes and back. To perform the exercise you need a GHD or Roman chair machine. If you don't have access to one of these machines, you can set up a plyo box and a barbell loaded to about 1.5 times body weight. To set up, ensure that the pad is set to just below hip height to ensure that you can hinge, and then also ensure that the feet are firmly anchored in place. Performing the exercise with a barbell on the back, with the elbows positioned back and shoulder blades squeezed together, ensures that the upper back muscles are worked hard. Make sure to maintain a neutral position of the spine throughout the exercise. Control the descent and explode back up to the start position. Using a Roman chair is a less challenging variation as the feet are positioned lower than hip height. If it's the first time performing this exercise, start by using a broom handle. Then as you get stronger you can start to gradually increase the weight. Performing the exercise with a rounded upper back will shift the emphasis of the exercise towards the glutes. Focus on driving the hips into the pad and contracting the glutes hard at the top of the movement. This variation works well with just body weight for high repetitions up to 15 to 20 and is a great way to finish a lower body session. As you get stronger you can start to add weight by holding a plate or a dumbbell at the chest. Make sure to maintain a neutral lower back position throughout the exercise.